Hello everybody, my name's Allan, I'm the Mind Alchemist, and today I want to show you how I do spinal adjustments with our pendulum. So what I would recommend is first create a pendulum chart. You don't absolutely need one, but it does help you to focus. And on this vertebrae chart, there's everything from the tailbone to the very top, which I believe is called the axis. And each one is numbered from L5, which is just the lumbar 5, all the way up to the cervical section. So what I would do is, the first thing I would do is, and I've done the calculations before, so just to make it a fast video, I would put my pencil on lumbar 5, on this line here, and I would ask to what degree is it in balance. And what my pendulum was telling me earlier on was it was 80% in balance. And when I asked, in order to align it, what direction would I have to tap it and how many times? So using just the rubber end of my pencil, I would put it on the vertebrae with the imagination that that was me, and I would tap it 4 times upwards because that's what it's saying. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I check again and I get that, oh yes, it's 100% in balance now. So because whatever's above it will come out of balance once you tap it, what you ask is the next vertebrae, how much is that one in alignment? And when I asked earlier, the answer I was getting is that the second one was much worse. It was only 50% in alignment. So I asked the same question, what do I have to do to balance and optimize it? How many times would I have to tap it? And what did I get? I got 4 taps also going upwards. So upwards would be towards my neck, downwards would be towards my my feet, to the right or to the left. But again, it gave me 4 times upwards. So again, I would go up to my vertebrae and I say, either I do a prayer or I ask God or the angels to please do this. 3 and 4, please adjust it upwards so that it's in perfect balance and alignment. And once that is done, I would ask, so to what degree is L4 now into balance? Is 100%. The other thing I was getting is that when I measured earlier, L3 was way off. I was at 10% of optimal alignment. So let me just see, because we corrected the bottom 2, it's now at 80%. So let's see if we could just do dowsing. So just ask God, Spirit Guide, to please align this vertebrae and all other vertebrae. Please bring them into perfect alignment relative to each other, so I could have a straight spine, so I could have good posture. Please do whatever needs to be done for this alignment. And if Spirit wants to do something on its own that would be highly beneficial for good posture, good health, spinal health, please do so as well. And my pendulum is just going crazy. So it's the first time I've tried it to do it complete with a pendulum. But the only way to check is to remeasure to what degree is L3 in alignment, L2, L1, T12. Okay, so now we have the alignment done. And let's see, so we were at L3. To what degree is that in alignment? It's 100%. L2, also 100%. L1 is at 100%. What about T5 or 6? So that's where I have most of my pain. It's in my middle back these days. So there's something going on in that area, and I could just ask, can I do any more today? And I'm getting a no. So tomorrow I will check to make sure that all the lumbar region is optimal, and then I will keep on working up the spine until everything is 100%. My name's Allan. I'm the Mind Alchemist. I hope this helps.